Silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind.
Well, it's Friday afternoon. Cindy's just about finished work. We're going to head off to Three Springs this weekend. We're going to go and take the van and the car, which is already hooked up behind me there. The weather's turned magnificent. We've got a golf tournament to go to. It's just a one-day tournament. We're going to go there tonight. We're going to camp up somewhere and with the in-laws, have a really nice evening together. Then we're going to play a 4-ball competition with them tomorrow in Three Springs. Hopefully don't make absolute fools of ourselves. None of us have swung a stick in quite some time, so it's going to be very interesting. But yeah, here's to a great weekend. I'll take you along for the ride, and hopefully we get some decent footage and some decent golf. For about
45 minutes.
And we're just coming through Arano. It's a little siding. It's only a CBH bit here. We've been through Mingy. You would have seen a bit of footage about that. We've only got about 20 k's to go through to Three Springs. So we're making good time. It's only a short trip, but it's going to be a good fun weekend.
Welcome to Three Springs.
Well, this is sunny Three Springs.
This is where I grew up.
Spent a lot of years at that tennis club.
A little bit of time at the pub, but more time at the tennis club. Keep going. And I used to love booking my fuel up to that account.
Used to spend a bit of time on the top of those silos.
I used to love those silos. It used to be my sneak out place.
Alright, so we arrived at the Three Springs campground and found a couple of really good sites. Mate, how good is this? They left us an enormous pile of wood. The Shire's done a sterling job here. So I've already got the fire cranking. We're set up. We're only simple set up tonight. We're only staying here for 2 nights and we're not going to be around the vans much at all. So just going to chill out, have a couple of steak sandwiches on the fire here and enjoy each other's company. And then golf it is tomorrow. A few other crew around, but everyone's sort of got plenty of space. It's bloody sensational what they've done here. Absolutely stellar. So, highly recommended coming to stay out here in Three Springs. Really well worth it. It's an absolutely magnificent morning here in Three Springs. It's 5 degrees, it's very cold. Got to try the diesel heater for the first time. So I'm going to go back inside in a minute and find out how that's going. But yeah, magnificent. So we've got the diesel heater on for the first time. There she's running. It's under the dinette seat near the door. It's doing a sterling job. Controller set up there. nice job. It's only 13 degrees in here at the moment, but it's better than the 5 degrees it was. And mounted on the side there, we have a kill switch, so we can get a positively turned off every time. It's doing a great job. The boss is happy. That's all that counts. Morning everyone, it's about 8 o'clock on Saturday morning. It is 6 degrees, it is freezing cold just in the main street of Three Springs here. You can see the fog behind me. It's a magic morning. We're just stopping in at the co-op to get a few things and then we're off to golf, and yeah, should be a good day. They've done a hell of a lot since we were last here. They've got this really nice little playground here on the main street, just off the main street. Railway line's just over the back, and then it sneaks through here. A little bit of a memorial, some gardens, some nice street art. The silos yet to be painted. So yeah, it's all pretty good here.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Well, we did it. That's 18 holes. We came in under par, which is all right. I didn't mind that. But yeah, I don't think we're going to be in the prizes at all. But it was a good fun day, that's for sure. Great course, very generous course. Open the shoulders up a bit, have a try, but didn't always go straight. That's life. Anyway, we'll let you know later on how we went. that's it for the weekend in Three Springs. Had a fantastic day yesterday. We shot 69 off the stick and came in about 58 and something or other score with our handicap. So we didn't do too badly. We were out of the prizes by miles, but we still had a bloody good day. Yeah, did a couple of nights in Three Springs for the weekend. Highly recommended coming out here and checking out that free camp. Best ablution block I've ever seen at a free camp. Absolutely sensational. I didn't take any video of it because it's not really something you need to see. Yeah, great couple of nights with Richard and Lois. Had a great time. The St. John Ambulance Day at the golf was fantastic. They raised a fair bit of money with that auction. I'll show you some of the items. But while I was cooking breakfast this morning, I'll show you some footage if I haven't already. The cockies were out on the footy oval, and wow, they were amazing. There were swarms of them, so I put the drone up into them and hopefully got some pretty good footage, so I'll show you that when I get it, we'll see after this or before this. But great weekend, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, hopefully we get better at doing these as we go along. See ya!
Bye!